Hello, good morning. We are on 10th Feb. I'm just trying to open the charts. So meanwhile, we'll just check the scripts that are on news today. So here in Economic Times, we have Hindalco, we have SR Oil, Arbindo Pharma, Apollo Tires, ALBK, Britannia, ITC, IDBI. So these are the scripts that we'll add on the cash tree file. And in money control, we have ALBK, Bharat Forge, Jet Airways, and other scripts which have the results. So we'll just start opening our file. That is, first let's open this cache tree file. So let it just double click, insert the dongle and double click on that file. So click on read only. So now let me just so what you'll have to do is just check in case if you are logged in. So I'm already logged in here. You can just ignore that error. Just close this and you'll have to enter the date. Enter the date in the sense it's nothing but the previous trading day date. That is 09 hyphen FEB hyphen 2016. That is the date format. And just say OK. And now you just click on the historical data. So there's some problem with the data. So let me just fetch the data. So meanwhile, I'll just open the TradingTree charts. So let it just copy and paste. We'll just wait. Once we get the data, we'll do this. So the rupee has opened at 67.90. And if you just have a look at SGX next Nifty is minus 65. It's at 7262. And Nikkei has already fallen 2.5% nearly. Okay, we're done. So let me just now click on the historical data. So I'll just copy and paste the next set of scripts now. Just copy and paste it. So that's 33 points down for Nifty. It's at 7264. I think I opened the charts. Let me just close this and again open it. Crude is at $28.48. So it's 9:15. So we have some calls. It is DLF, Bharat Forge, and Axis Bank. Bharat Forge, we have it on news. Okay, it's running. So we're getting the data. I'll just minimize that. And let me just close even this Excel cash tree. We'll concentrate on only the trading trade today. So that's a gap down. So we have a buy in Bharat Forge. So you can buy at this level, and that is 795.40. DLF we have a sell. We'll just wait till this candle closes, or you can short it at this level 94.60. So for extra confirmation, we have this Ammyy broker currently. So you can compare both the trades in the trading tree and in your Ammyy broker, and you can take your call. ELBK is on news, so that's a gap down. Ambuja Cement, again, you can see that. We'll just wait for another 5 minutes. Apollo Tyre is on news. Sarvin, Ashok Leyland, Asian Paint. Axis, we have a sell call here. We can short it below this S2 level, S1 level, sorry. That will be 395. So we had seen multiple number of trades in Bank of Baroda, Bank of India, ALBK yesterday.
There is a cell phone. 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 There is a cell phone.
So we have some calls here. So we have a sell in Sun Torrent, SKS buy, ONGC sell, Nifty sell, Infi buy, ICICI sell, Hexaware sell, HDFC sell, HCL Tech Gale sell, Kane sell, Bank Nifty is a sell, Aurobindo Pharma is a sell, Apollo Tyre is a buy, and Adani Ports. So the calls that are generated will be stored here in your NinjaTrader new alerts. So you can always just come back and then check the alerts. So let's see Torrent Pharma. So that's a sell here. So you can just short it at this level. The recent low, that is what you'll have to see. That is 1309. 1309 will be your sell for Torrent Pharma. So I'll just draw a line there. And then we have Sun Pharma. Sun Pharma, since we have this PP as the support, we will try to take a call right below that. So I'm just drawing a line for that. You have SKS, ONGC, Nifty. SKS, this is a very strong resistance. So let's buy above this. So I can just check the prices. Let's say 552. ONGC, we have this gap down sell. In case if it comes down, we will short it here. 213. We have Infi, ICICI. Infi is a buy. So let's wait on Infi. or else because you have two resistances here, that is your PP and this brown line. We have a call in Gale. You can short it below this. You have ICICI. That's a huge gap down. You have the recent low here, 202.40. You have Hexaware, HDFC, HCL. So the IT pack is up. You can buy at this level. Hexaware is a short.
There is a self-holding event on EDC by Paul/1.
HDFC. Okay, we have some more calls. Petronet, Cipla, Bharti Airtel, Star. ACC will short it below this. CAN will short it here. 120, 170. So let's take one script at a time. At the Airtel, we have a short here. Let's short it below this. The brown line is here, very strong support. So that's Apollo Tire. We have it on news. So you can buy it above this R1. So Arbinda Pharma will short it below the S2. Axis will short it below this S1. Bajaj will buy it above R1. Bank of Baroda is already down. Bharat Forge, it's on news, will buy above this. Cipla will buy above this brown line. Crompton will short it here. Divis will short it below the S3. DLF is already down. Not check that. And that's the price for DLF. Dr. Reddy, we can short it below this S3.
There is a cell called the new. There is a cell called there is a cell called there is one.
So we have some more calls. So let's take Lupin. If you have a sell here, I don't think it will materialize. Anyway, that is the entry. So ITC, we have a sell. Lupin, Jindal Steel, ITC, Hero Moto. So there you go, Hero Motoko, you can short it below this PP. Now to check some of the scripts, there we have already placed the orders. Tata Steel is in profits, you can see that. So the blue line has turned into red. It means that so Tata Power we have a sell. So L&T and Idea. We have a short and Idea. So L&T will short below this S1. Syndicate Bank we can short it below this S2. So I was just telling you, in case the particular script crosses that blue line, it turns into red. So your first profit is slightly above S1. So Tata Steel, the profit is done. 332 was your entry, and 232 was your entry, and 230 was your first target. So similarly, even Sun Pharma has done. I mean, it has crossed. And other than that, you have Star. Star, we can buy it here, 1049. SKS, we can buy above this. So you're still there. So Jindal Steel has crossed. A small amount of profit there. Maruti will buy above this PP. So that's NTPC. That's your entry. Can short IOC at this level, 384.80. Infi has already gone up. I mean, this was your entry price. We'll not check this. So idea, it's already crossed your entry. Even IB real estate has crossed your entry. Pixaware has crossed. Hero Mota has just entered. HDIL is in profit. That's HDFC Bank. Century, your entries. CESC you can enter at S3. HDFC Bank we have a sell now. So we'll short it right below this. 1020. So that's Bharti Airtel, BHEL, Biocon, BPCL, Can Bank. So this Adani Ports, the call got generated at 9:20, and that your entry price is here, 207, and now it is at 203.25. So Adani Power, let's place the trade here, 25.65. So Century Textiles is in profit. Same thing with CSE. Ciplop. So DLF, you can just see you're in profit. Your entry was 95. It's at 92. 92.50 now. That's Dr. Reddy, Federal Bank, Gale, Glenmark. Trasm we can enter at 3382. So your next target for Havels will be 278, or let's say 279. So your HCL Tech is in profit, the buy call. So HDFC, your sell alert is here, 1148. So that's HDIL. So IB Real Estate 5070 was your entry. Now it's at 5020. Now let's check even Ammyy broker.
There is a cell call in KOBAKVMA1.
Kotak, we have a sell. So whenever you get this dot, that is your entry for that particular script, and you'll actually get a confirmation also, that is an red down arrow. So here you have the confirmation in Adani Enterprises. You can just compare this with your chart here. We have got that Tata Power, Maruti and Adani Enterprises. We already have it here. So in case if you'd observed it, your entry is here. Now since you have a confirmation in both the charts, you can take the call. Maruti, you can short it at this point, 3637. You can just compare this. So we have this Adani ports, a single sell call here, and then we had this buy which did not get triggered because we placed this trade close to the recent high. Now the idea of having Ammyy broker is it will give you the trend, and here in your trading tree you will get your support, resistances, targets, your stop losses, all these things. Now what happens here in Ammyy broker is, now you can just see there is no buy call here, and this buy entry should the next candle should always cross this and move upwards, then only you get this kind of an green arrow, that is your confirmation for a buy call. But when you see in this particular case, that is Adani ports, you have a sell continuing right from Feb 8th. So now you have a trend here and you have the prices here. So you know that your next target S1, S2, S1 is done, your next target is S2, and you can actually keep trailing your stop losses till your S3. So that's the idea behind, or else you can now the thin horizontal line what we have here in the top, that is a trailing stop loss line, or else you can actually keep trailing your stop losses to the recent high candle for a sell call. So in this case I'll put my stop loss at 205.50. So LBK I have a sell here, and in case if you compare that with your chart here, both are similar, so there is no fuss about this. That's Ambuja Cement, Apollo, Apollo Tire has not triggered still. It's Arvind. Let's come to the Ammyy broker. It's Ambuja Cement. We get an alert here. There is the dot, and then we get the entry. So in case if we can follow this, it will be an you'll be able to refine your calls much better. So the entry for in this particular application, you'll be able to trade both intraday and positional. So you have an alert here for Apollo Tire, but we don't have a confirmation call here. But we already have an buy call here. So it indicates the same thing. The price has to break this point, and then only it will move upwards. So same thing with Arvind here. You have a buy here. So we have a buy alert here, sorry, sell alert here, and we have a sell confirmation here. That's Axis Banks. Let me just compare this with the other chart. So you have one buy here. So you have one buy which has not triggered. So the idea is, in case if you have taken this sell call in this particular trading tree, you know that it's a sell, it has come down, and again it has given a buy here. But usually when you get a buy call, what you do is you exit. But here in this case, you can always go back and compare with your Ammyy broker. Here it has not given any, it has given you an alert, but it has not given you a confirmation. You can see that the next candle has actually come down, and again you had that buy, and again you have this sell here, and then you have no buy call here in this particular zone. But in this particular case here in TradingTree, you have three buy calls which have not triggered. So you can avoid this panic of getting a buy call, and then since you know the trend here, you can comfortably continue with your trend, that is the sell. So you have this buy which is still continuing. You can just check that even in now we have a sell call here. This is a right example here. Now I would like to short it below this S1. The buy has not triggered, so let me remove that. Now in this particular case, you have a buy call which is still running, and you can see it in your Ammyy. The buy is still continuing. So I'll not enter that sell there. I'll still continue with my buy trend. So this is another example of loop-in. Now, when you look at the chart in your trading tree, you have a sell alert here, but I was telling you that this might not trigger. So in case if you just go back and have a look at your Ammyy, you can compare it. So you don't have any sell alert or sell confirmation here. So you continue with this buy trend. Now, you know that targets here. Now in this case, oh, sorry. Have some problem here. So I'll just close it. I'll just again come back. So let me just close this and then open again. So that's IB Real Estate and that's in profit. ICICI Bank has made the entry. So let me just show you some trades which we have entered. Idea is already done its profit. That is your S1. Infi is already done its first level of profit. That is your PP. IOC is in profit. It's IRB. ITC has made the entry. Jindal Steel is in profit. L&T, the entry is not done still. Maruti is in profit. NTPC has done its profit. That is your PP, first profit. As soon as you get your first profit, it's better you exit or keep trailing your stop losses or enter in two lots, book one profit at the first target and then the second target you book another profit. Petronet you can enter at 254.60. That's a buy call. SKS you have a short 540. The buy has not triggered. That's Sun Pharma, Sun TV, Syndicate Bank, Tata Motors, Tata Power. The entry is not done still. Tata Steel entry is already done. It's TCS. Torrent entry is done. ACC you can just see that. Adani Enterprises, Adani Ports already in profit. Adani Power, the entry is done. Century Textiles is in profit. Your first level of profit will be 458.50. So Access is in profit. Arbindo Pharma, its entry is done. Ashok Leyland, Arvind, CESC is in profit. Cipla we have a sell call now. Crompton Greaves is in profit. Divi's, it's flat. DLF is in profit. 95 was your entry and 92 is the current price. Dr. Reddy entry has to be done. That's Havels. HCL Tech is in profit. That's only buy call. HDFC is in
There
profit.
is a cell phone in ASMICR01.
HDFC Bank. HDIL is in profit. You can just check that. 70, around 70 was your entry. Now it is at 68.55. Hexaware bounce back. Stop loss. IB Real Estate is in profit. All real estates are real estate back is in red. So these are some of the trades that we have entered and most of them are in profits. So let me just shut this down and then I'll open again. Let's see how we can trade the commodities with this. So Infi is in mostly the IT pack is in green. The real estate is in red. That's ITC. Your entry is triggered there. So I'll just come back again.